The computer is the machine that helps us do a lot of things. But what is it exactly? My name is Jakario Permadi. In this video, we're gonna talk about computer and what's inside. A computer is an electric device that store, retrieve, and process data or information. We can use computer for a wide range of aspects, from studying, education, and even entertainment. But have you ever wondered what's inside of it? There are several components in a computer. First, the CPU, Central Processing Unit. This is the brain of the computer. And then GPU. This GPU acts like CPU, but it handles visual data related. Random access memory, storage device, and motherboard. When we turn on the computer, when we use the computer, all these components work together, enabling us to do anything we want with our computer, from writing letters, playing games, browsing the internet, anything we want. Thanks for watching this video. Until then, take care.